How to insert text box in Microsoft Word. To insert text box, go to Chrome on your computer or you can use any browser you want. Then search word.cloud.microsoft. Now create blank document. First, you need to put the cursor on the place you want to add this text box. So for my example, I put here on the front of this paragraph. And now to insert text box in your Microsoft Word, go to home page menu on the upper left side on your screen and go to insert. Here in insert, go to drawing. In drawing section, go to insert page and select text box. And now you can create text box. For my example, I insert text here. And also you can change the color of this text box. You can go to shape outline menu on the top. On the arrow down button on the right side of this, you can click this and see the option of color. So for my example, I select black, the shape outline. And also you can click the shape fill. But you can change the color by clicking the arrow down button of the right side of shape fill. And you can see the option of color. So for my example, I insert yellow, the shape fill. And after you create a text box, click save and close button on the upper right side of this drawing section to insert this text box on your Microsoft Word. So you can resize this. You can put this text box on the left, or you can put on center, or you can put on the right.